Presenting Tecno Phantom X2 Pro 5G in the color Stardust Grey. It is also available in mass orange. Built with 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB storage, provides 1.5x faster speed than previous generation RAM. Designed with 6.8-inch Full HD plus Dual Curved AMOLED display for truly brilliant vision. Now let us look at the other features of the display. Super smooth touch response with 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate. Capture your moments with extraordinary 50-megapixel rear camera and 32-megapixel selfie camera, backed with 7th Gen IMAGIQ 790 ISP with extraordinary computing power. Moving on to its world's first 4nm Dimensity 9000 5G processor that supports 5G bands with 3cc carrier aggregation for beasty performance. Experience best battery life with 5160 mAh battery and 45-watt in-box charger. The box includes smartphone, 45-watt power adapter, Type-C cable and SIM ejector tool. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.